Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to show all of these separately in different lines. So let's begin. So here I will use HTML tag inside these double quotes. So BR and BR here also, and let's check the result. So now you can see all of these are in the separate lines. So now let me remove this one, and now let's check it again, and you can see they are in the same line. But if we write it again and let's check it again, now you can see again they are in a separate line. So actually this is an HTML tag, that's why we are writing it here in the double quotes. But if you want to do it in PHP, so you will use the \n, but still it will not work. Let's first check that, and you can see the one is in the same line. So for this purpose we will use a built-in function which is nl2br, and we will enclose this. And if you don't know functions, so don't worry, we will discuss that later. And now let's check it, and they will appear in the separate lines. So refresh, and now you can see they are all on the separate lines. So that's the PHP way of doing it, and that's the HTML way of doing it. Okay, so that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next lecture.